Hi everybody, I'm Andrea here from the East Grand Forks Campbell Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own snow globe. Mine has quite a bit of glitter in it. It's making quite the snowstorm. Okay, let's talk about supplies. So you will need one jar. This one is 8 ounces, but you can use whatever size that you would like. But you want to also make sure that your jar has a lid that will screw on or attach tightly to your jar to make sure that there's no water leakage. You need some kind of ornament to put inside of your snow globe. I have a little sisal tree that I've already glued down to my lid, but you could add some oven dried clay pieces. Maybe you want to make a snowman. Or you could even add some little plastic figures. So I have a little pig here that I could glue down inside of my winter scene. You will need some glue to secure your ornament to your lid. I've used this glue, E6000, which you can find in most craft stores. And it is an epoxy type glue, so it does need to dry for 24 hours before you put it inside of the liquid. You can also use hot glue to secure it. This hot glue might not be as strong, but it will work for our purposes. You will need some glitter. I like this snow colored stuff, and I'm going to add a little bit of silver glitter as well. And you will need some water, obviously, to fill up your snow globe. And the secret ingredient for snow globes is vegetable glycerin. And you can buy this in most craft stores, either in the candy section or in the candle and soap making areas. All right, so let's get started. So if you haven't already, glue your ornaments to your base, to the lid of your jar. This is going to be your base of your snow globe. In your jar, you want to add your glitter. And so I'm going to add about a teaspoon of glitter, maybe a little bit more. You don't have to use snow colors. You can use whatever colors you want. Gold glitter works really well in snow globes as well. It makes a great statement. All right, we're going to add our vegetable glycerin next. You only need a few drops of this, and the purpose of having the vegetable glycerin is to keep the glitter will fall a little bit slower. It will stay suspended in the water a little bit longer. All right, our next step is to add our water. So I have a jug of distilled water here. I'm just going to go ahead and fill up my snow globe. I'm going to use my teaspoon to give it a little stir to make sure that glycerin gets mixed in and the glitter starts to fall down to the bottom of the jar. It's not all going to go down to the bottom, and that's okay, but you want most of it to fall down. Since I put my glycerin first, it did kind of clump up a little bit. You could try to add your water and then add your glycerin as well. All right, the very last step is to add your lid. So go ahead and put your lid on, and you want to make sure that you screw it on tightly. And there is our snow globe. If you want to seal your jar a little bit more tightly, I found that when I have been shaking my jar and moving it a lot, it does leak a little bit. What you can do is put some hot glue around the lid of your rim or around the lid of your jar, or even both, and then quickly secure it by screwing it on tightly. So there's your snow globe. Enjoy!